Okay, today we're going to be looking at characters. Now, characters, as they might suggest, are characters. But the way you define a character then, or initialize a character or whatever you say, is using the char variable. So, yeah, we're going to be learning about chars. So, basically, char is short for character. And a character can be a letter, it can be a number, it can be a symbol, or it can be like a key on your keyboard or something. And there's a few others, but for now we only need to know the basics. So if we create a, we'll just call it C1 for character 1. You type char and then the name, as always, just with normal variables, equals, and then we need to just surround it with single quotation marks, single quotes or single speech marks. Now, let's say, for example, I want the letter A. Well, that means all we need to with the letter A, is just type this. So we surround A in single quotes, or surround any sort of character in single quotes, and if you surround character in single quotes, then it will become a character. Yeah, that didn't make sense, but and something I want to make clear. So basically, what I want to make clear is C1 is not equal to C2, because A and capital A and lowercase a are different. In fact, if you hover over it, it will show you the character code, which we'll talk about in a minute. In A, capital A is 65, and lowercase a is 97. So make sure you don't. Get that confused. So yeah, basically A. It doesn't have to be A though. It can be anything you like. It can be a. It can be a ending bracket and a. Oops. It can be an ending bracket and a forward slash if you want. It can be anything like that. It can even be something. It can even be something like \n, because that is a new line character, or a space. Many people often forget that, but it can be a space too. It looks like there's nothing in there, but there's a space there. So what on earth am I going on about when I say character codes then? Well, basically, it's to do with something called the ASCII table. Now, don't worry if you don't understand this, but every single character, every single letter, every single number, every single symbol, or every single key on your keyboard, not every single, but basically every single symbol or character has its own number that represents it. In A's case, capital A is 65. So I could just as well write char C1 equals 65. And that way, if I were to print, let me get rid of that for a minute. If I was to print, and I'll get onto this in a sec, print character 1, then I keep pasting in a YouTube thing. Then what am I doing? Right, let's go over this again. To compile, it is gcc main.c, and to run, it's /a.out. Okay, I remember. Then I'm going to copy this so I can run them. And as you can see, it says A here. A Big Mac. Yeah, it says A. Anyway, yeah, that's gonna. It says A. It says A. There we are. Right. So basically, you can type it just as well with numbers, but the thing is, how do we print this? Well, %C is what is the character code? Sorry, is the percentage C, yeah, is the percentage C is the way we is the way we put characters into strings. So just like it's %I or %D for integers, it's the string. I can't even remember what I said earlier. But it's it puts the character. It puts this. This is the string separator, the string terminal. I can't remember what I said. Anyway, it's %C for character. It's %D for. Sorry, it's %D for numbers, and also %I for integers. Sorry, not in numbers, integers. I mean, and if you, just to be clear, because I didn't say this in the last video, I should have. Floats are %F and doubles are %LF. Just to be clear, so %F or %LF.